I'm just gonna wait for my friend at the bus stop. Hey Azul, hey Riley. So, how's your day going so far? Good. I just ordered. Do you like my new shoes? I do actually. They're very pretty. Thank you. Who are we waiting on? We should probably just get going to school. I don't think the bus is going to be here. Yeah, let's get walking. So we're here. It's winter, right? Yes, it's winter. It's the middle of January. Of course it's winter, Riley. Yeah. Uh-oh. Here comes a plastic, otherwise known as a mean girl. Hey, guys. Well, don't you guys look like a piece of garbage? Your clothes looks like a piece of garbage. Good one. Hee hee ha. But she's so mean. I know, right? She's so mean. Come on, camera, focus. Well, that's the bell. I better get going to math class. I better get going to algebra. Bye. Bye, Azul. Bye, Riley. Actually, after school. Hey, Riley, guess what? I just saw a really cool commercial on the TV in Times Square. Really? What'd you see? I saw this girl named Lavender Dreams, and she was snowboarding. Just kidding. She was climbing Mount Everest. Isn't that amazing? That's really cool. I wish I could climb Mount Everest. Dream big, Riley. That'd be a hard goal to reach. But I could do it. I could do it. I think you could, Riley, when pigs fly. Azul. At Riley's house. I need to do some serious cleaning in my room. Maybe I could climb Mount Everest. Oh, right. Dream big, Riley. If only I could dream. If only.